portrait lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. All of these give Realme 6i a well-rounded, immersive shooting experience with powerful functionalities. You will be able to click landscapes with the ultra-wide-angle mode and get vivid colors on your photographs with the Chroma Boost mode. There are many more features along with this. Let's see some sample pictures. This is a picture taken from the primary camera, and you can see the level of detailing and the dynamic range in the picture. This is another picture taken during night, and just see how beautifully the picture is captured, which is bright, clear, and so alive. The Realme 6i also provides an option of shooting ultra-wide-angle videos with UIS video stabilization. It also supports slow-motion video recording and 4K video recording. Overall, I can gladly say that the camera setup of the Realme 6i offers a flagship-level photography experience for all the camera enthusiasts out there, with so many video options and photography options like AI Beauty Mode, Chroma Boost, Nightscape, Portrait Mode. All right, to the most important part, performance. I can tell you that Realme 6i will have the most powerful performance in this segment. The Realme 6i is powered by the powerful MediaTek Helio G90T. Get ready to experience the super smooth performance of MediaTek Helio G90T. It is equipped with up to 2.05 GHz octa-core CPU and Mali G76 GPU. Combining the latest GPU and CPU cores with ultra-fast memory and massive AI performance, you can get a seamless experience. Hailed as the latest professional gaming chipset from MediaTek, the powerful performance of Helio G90T has been universally recognized and praised, whether it is for daily usage or for gaming. Much like our flagship other Realme products, the Realme 6i sports the most powerful performance in this segment, with an Antutu of around 291,000. Gaming enthusiasts can have a smooth experience with HyperBoost. The Frame Boost technology releases full frame speed performance, providing intelligent prediction of high-intensity regiment combat scenarios, while Touch Boost gives you a delightful gaming experience. All in all, it truly elevates and enriches your gaming experience. Well, the versatility of the Realme 6i doesn't just stop here. Get ready to witness the best charging performance as well. The Realme 6i offers a long-lasting usage with a big 4300 mAh battery along with the latest 30-watt flash charge technology. The Realme 6i supports a 30-watt flash charge that can fully charge the phone in just 55 minutes. Now let's go through some other surprising features the Realme 6i has in store for you. It integrates fingerprint recognition and power key innovatively. It not only enhances the phone's aesthetics, but also unlocks the smartphone seamlessly and swiftly. The capacitive fingerprint button is so sensitive that unlocking happens in just 0.29 seconds. The Realme 6i comes with massive storage options of 4GB 64GB and 6GB 64GB, providing more space to store all your heavy applications, pictures, and documents. It has a dual SIM slot and an additional slot for a memory card. The Realme 6i allows intelligent switching of dual card, one for work and one for personal usage. It has dual 4G and supports expandable memory up to 256GB for you to store games, photos, and heavy files without worrying about running out of space. Let's now have a recap of the Realme 6i through a video.
Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.
Now let's sum up the exciting new Realme 6i. The Realme 6i is powered with MediaTek Helio G90T, featuring a 6.5-inch punch-hole full screen with FHD Plus resolution and a 90Hz ultra-smooth display. The smartphone has a big 4300 mAh battery for long-lasting usage and the latest 30-watt flash charge technology. The Realme 6i is equipped with a 16-megapixel in-display selfie camera and 48-megapixel AI quad camera. With the new Realme 6i, we want to offer a similar kind of experience like Realme 6 at a separate price segment. That was all for the Realme 6i with excellent aesthetics, tons of functions and powerful performance. Now it's time to see the price. The Realme 6i 4GB 64GB is priced at 12,999. The Realme 6i 6GB 64GB is priced at 14,999. Please check the sale date to get your hands on the Realme 6i. It will be available on Flipkart and realme.com and soon in offline stores. That's all for today. We will keep introducing new products to offer you more options in each price segment. See you next time.
Realme smartphone. Dare to leap. Realme smartphone. Dare to leap.